beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be going through the latest in beauty 2020 resolutions box. This retails for £28. It's got 14 products inside, and the products, let me just double check my statistics, the products are worth £152. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. Let's just get straight into what is in their 2020 resolutions box. First up, we have a brand called Patchology. This is their Keep Smiling lip gel. I can't say my words out today. This is the Sweet Violet one to de-stress, which is what I need doing a university course. I'm working full time, and this is what it looks like. And this is basically just like a little lip mask. Next up is a brand that I've always wanted to try their stuff. This is the brand Spot FX. You can find them in Sports Direct, like in with all like the gym stuff. This is their Blend and Go makeup blending sponge, which just looks like this. It reminds me, like, just the colour itself reminds me of the Morphe one. But I'm excited to see what it's like. It says it has an angled tip for precise coverage around the eyes and nose. And it has like a, I don't know if you're able to tell, like the tip of it isn't like a typical point, like a beauty blender. It's like all angled, and each like side of it has like multiple layers to it as well. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, there's that one. We also have the Slow Aging Essential Facial Essence, which I've never actually heard of this brand before or anything. It says it's a pure and potent elixir with 3 active ingredient systems. It delivers a surge of vitality, energy and radiance to your complexion. And this is a 5ml one. Next up is a big one. This is some toothpaste. This is the brand Le Bon. It says Rhythm is Love, and it's natural flavours organic toothpaste made in France. It just looks like this. Now this is one I am super excited for. This is a Kiehl's product and a really decent sized one as well. This is their Rare Earth Deep Cleansing Pore Mask. It says, if clearing your skin is top of your agenda this year, this wonder mask will eliminate debris to reveal visibly minimised pores and a clearer, brighter looking complexion. And this has 0.5 fluid ounces or 14 millilitres of product inside. So it's a really good size as well. We also have a sleep therapy bath soak with organic lavender and essential oils of bergamot and other things that I can't pronounce. So this is basically meant to help you relax your mind and body. It says to pour under warm running water and swirl around in the bath. This is from the brand Sense Bar. It just looks like this. We've got another really big one. This is the We Are Kind Natured Shea and Aloe. Yeah, aloe. Or shea. That's one that I say wrong. Shea and aloe. Calm and soothe facial wash. Gently remove makeup and impurities whilst soothing sensitive skin. 97% natural, vegan friendly. And yeah, it just looks like this. This is a 200ml bottle. Next up is a product that I absolutely love. This is from the brand Feather and Down. It's basically a pillow spray, so you literally will just spray it on your bed before you go, like on your pillow before you go to sleep, and it really does help to kind of just get you like into the mood to fall asleep and just drift off. So I'm excited to have another one of these. This is a 50ml bottle, so it will last you like a really long time as well. Like I haven't gotten through my other one yet, so that'll be going into like my little backup drawer as well. Next we have a shampoo and a bar for all hair types. Okay, so it says hashtag replace the bottle, citrus dream, dermatologist. Why can't I pronounce things? Tested, no parabens and sulfate free. I've never ever tried a shampoo bar. I don't know what it would be like, but it says you can get 75 washes in this one bar, which is equivalent to like at least 3 bottles of shampoo. So yeah, and I think you can get a pink one as well called Pink Heaven. Obviously we've got the citrus one. Next we have the brand Murad, and this is their renewing eye cream, which is perfect timing because I've just used up my number 7 eye cream, so I can start using this one now. It says a triple benefit eye treatment which treats and prevents under eye damage, reducing the appearance of medium to deep wrinkles whilst improving elasticity, dark circles and puffiness. And this is a 4ml bottle. It says it's number 3 hydrator, so I don't really know what that means. But considering it's eye cream, I mean, I know it is quite small, but considering it's eye cream, it'll last ages. If it was moisturiser, it obviously wouldn't last as long because you put it all over your face. But because it's just for under your eyes, it'll last a really long time. Next up is another one I'm really excited for. This is from the brand Living Proof, and this is their Restore Mask Treatment. If you all know by now, I'm going through I don't know, journey. My hair is getting a lot better. Like, it's really, really, really healthy at the moment. I've just washed it today because I was meant to be going on a night out and there was a storm, so it had to get cancelled. Hence why I've got like full beat eyeshadow and everything on. But yeah, my hair's doing really, really well at the moment, and I really want to keep it up. And masks are something that I'm kind of like dibbling and dabbling with, so I'm really excited to try this. This is 28 grams. It says after shampooing, apply to roots to end, and then leave them 5 minutes and rinse. Really excited to try that. And Living Proof is meant to be a really, really good brand and a really expensive brand as well. I think we've got 3 left. Like, I can't believe this full box is £28. Like, how crazy is that? All of these products are £28. Wow. And the next one is the Ashanti Cosmetics 15 Shades of Pink Pomegranate Face Cream. Ooh, okay. Let's open this up. I think I might put this into a giveaway for one of you guys because I have so many face creams. It just looks like this. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. It's really, really, really thick. You can see. Oh my god, it smells. It smells a little bit like the strawberry chocolate in Quality Street. That's how nice it smells. I could eat it. So yeah, I think, actually I don't think I'll be able to post that. I'll try. I think I might put that into a giveaway for one of you lovely people. Second from last, we have this big bad boy. This is the Little Butterfly London Dew Drops at Dawn Body Lotion. Dreamy organic for babies. With cucumber seed oil, cocoa butter and oat kernel extract. For sensitive newborn and eczema prone skin. Oh. So obviously you can use this on babies, but it's also really good if you have sensitive skin and obviously eczema prone skin as well. I have eczema, but it's kind of like deep in my skin cells, so I always get it quite bad. Like, say for instance in the summer, if I'm kind of like sat on grass, or sometimes like even certain lotions and clothes and stuff can really aggravate it as well, and I get really, really itchy thighs. So yeah, that'll be really, really, really good to try. It's cruelty free, it's Vegetarian Society approved, and it's organic cosmetics as well. 99% of the total ingredients are from natural origin as well. Never even heard of it, but it sounds really nice. And then last but certainly not least is a brand that I've definitely heard of. This is the brand Burt's Bees. This is their Wild Cherry Moisturising Lip Balm. I'm pretty sure I had one of these in my car, you know. And I was using it all the time because it gives such, it's like a balm, but it gives such a nice colour to your lips as well. It's like a little lipstick too. Oh, this one's not open. Like, you have to peel it open, so I'll wait until I've used the lip balm up before I move on to this one. But the colour payoff in it is like really, really, really good whilst also being a lip balm. So I'm excited to have that back in my car, in my new car, since I got a new car. I kind of binned the old one when I got rid of my old car because it was like, well and truly been in there for like way over a year, maybe even 2 years, maybe even 3. Not gonna lie. So that is everything that you can get for £28 with this box. Would definitely recommend having a little check on their website for what other collections they do as well. I know they're doing like a one that had like all kind of stuff from like Holland and Barrett kind of themed stuff in there, and that's like a different different box. But they also have like a monthly subscription box where you get to pick the products that you want, or you can just do like one-off purchases, but they cost a little bit more. But at the moment they have a MAC Chili red lipstick in there, so if you want to try MAC Chili lipstick and you want to also get some other goodies as well for your money, then I'd highly recommend going and checking out their website because it is really, really good. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll hopefully see you in my next video. I do upload Mondays. I don't upload Mondays at all. I upload Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. But I do sometimes do like bonus videos of like vlogs and do clothes and stuff during the week. So if that is something that you're interested in, then hit subscribe, but also turn that notification bell on so you get to see like the bonus ones too. Thank you so much for watching. I love you very much, and I'll hopefully see you on my next upload day. Bye guys.